You will listen and read the dialogue between Linda and Peter. On a sunny afternoon, Linda and Peter are sitting on a bench in the park. They are talking about their leisure activities, how to balance study and hobbies, and making plans for the weekend.
Hi Peter, you look energetic. Have you been doing exercise to stay in shape?
Yes, I've been jogging outdoors. It helps my muscles and keeps balance with school stress.
Nice. Would you like to go snowboarding at the resort this weekend?
I'd love to. Thanks. I'm crazy about snowboarding.
Great. Do you fancy doing some DIY crafts tomorrow? I have a kit for origami.
That's great. I'm fond of origami. It makes me patient.
Same here. What about doing puzzles? They're fun in leisure time.
True. But I detest cruel games. I prefer peaceful hobbies like making bracelets.
Me too. Last week I folded flowers and shared them with my cousin.
Sounds nice. Would you like to message me the steps later?
Sure. Let's keep in touch about our weekend trip.
Definitely. Hobbies bring valuable benefits and help us enjoy life.